Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, IELTS, it is this time. Last 30 days, we had more than 22 students in IELTS who got their desired score, most of them aiming for 777-8 for Canadian migration. I understand the situation here is a bit tough. A lot of you are not really sure what's going to happen in the future. You're planning to migrate to Canada, you are planning to go for teaching degree, and you need your IELTS score for that. 22 students, more than that in last 30 days, and most of them aiming for 777-8. This is only possible if you have the right feedback, right guidance, and you take a number of mock tests and you get your writing and speaking evaluated a number of times. If you are looking for IELTS, I'll highly recommend you book your trial class, see how we teach, what our structure is, what our strategy and what our techniques are, and then only take a decision. Book your trial class. We provide on-campus, online classes, both of them. Just give us a call, send us a message, and we'll make sure you get your desired score in IELTS as well. Highest success rate in IELTS as well, all over Australia, highest success rate, more than 22 students in last 30 days. We are going to nail it. Make sure you don't risk it. Book your trial class and then go ahead. Thanks guys, Varun from Language Academy.